What is Amazon Vendor Central EDI routing request? In most cases, big box retailers such as Amazon requires their vendors to implement EDI routing request through the shipment process for carriers' assignments. This is needed to collect freights where customers pay the freight charges. In addition, it would be used by suppliers to provide expected pickup date and location, weight, and volume of the consignment. Based on their rate, vendors will assign the carrier. Also, to keep the consignment ready for the carrier to pick up on the appointed date. For vendors, distributors, and manufacturers who use Amazon Vendor Central, it's necessary to create routing requests after order confirmation. They would also need to provide pickup date and time, the number of cartons in the shipment, and shipment weight and consignment volume. Then, Amazon will send their routing confirmation email back to the vendors and assign a reference number for the routing request. At this point, the routing request will become a shipment assigned to a carrier, and an ASN would be created and pending. The routing request with Amazon Vendor Central is fully automated by implementing EDI with their vendors. Vendors will send a routing request to Amazon by sending the EDI 753 and get back from Amazon the routing request confirmation via the EDI 754. The components of Amazon routing request, EDI 753, are the supplier reference number, which is a unique reference number for the supplier. When Vendor Central sends back a routing confirmation through EDI 754, it will include the reference number and the suppliers will match it against their system. Also, the customer order number and other shipment information such as weight, carton quantity, volume, address, pickup date, and time are necessary for the routing request. For the routing confirmation back from Amazon, the main components are supplier reference number, Amazon reference number, carrier name that Amazon will assign based on weight and/or volume, and negotiated rate with carriers. For large consignments, Amazon will assign LTL, less than truckload, carriers such as Conway, or small freight carriers such as FedEx or UPS. The assigned carrier will come on the set pickup date and time to the vendor and pick up the shipment. Amazon has a portal where the vendors can also print the shipping labels. Once the carriers pick up the shipment, the vendor has to inform Amazon of the ASN, the Advanced Shipping Notice, within 24 hours or 4 hours before the arrival, whichever is earlier. Vendors can create an ASN on the Amazon Vendor Central portal manually, or better yet, use EDI to fully automate the process. The ASN must include the tracking number, purchase order, and number of items shipped. It is crucial that vendors will automate their shipment process with Amazon Vendor Central to reduce errors and speed up the order and shipping processes. Many vendors make mistakes when they match between Amazon purchase order number, Amazon reference number, and Amazon shipment number when they manually enter the data into Amazon Vendor Central. That causes frequent chargebacks and decreases Amazon ranking. By implementing a fully EDI integration process with Amazon, it'll help you automate this process easily. In addition, it'll help to manage the shipments. Visit Amosoft.com to learn more about this and all our EDI services.